Hey guys, we got some stuff here that was included in a recent pickup I got. I know it's going to be kind of hard to see with my lights. Um, so these are two sealed packs. This one's kind of split open, so I'm going to open it. I've got a buddy that has completed his 1E set. He's getting starting on the 2E set, so I'm gonna give these to him. I want to open these because I have 3 other sealed sets of these, and I'm almost positive this is a complete set of the 10th anniversary reprints. But I want to just double check, and then I don't. Like, I saw one promo of this, but I just don't know exactly what this is, what's in this. And then this is just some of the other stuff that was in there. There's several wharfs and Jadzias and 2E is not my strong suit at all, but let's go ahead and open this. This is the packing that came in, or this is the kind of the way that all of the Decipher Store stuff came. So actually, I need to count these. 71. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I think this is a complete set. 1, 2, 3, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Yeah. So these are just yeah, just a complete set of the reprints that don't what little I know. So this is the 10th anniversary, and it has the little X on the top right, and this is the reprint. It does not have the X, but they also do have, which I don't know if this is sun bleached or what, but the coloring on this is wildly different. This is like yellowy. This is green. But these are OP23 and then OP71. So good thing they even have. Let's look at coloring. So this is Fortune. Let's see what the Fortune looks like here. The coloring even looks a little bit duller. So I don't know. I don't know if that's just your typical Decipher Decipher card printing, or if that was just somewhat common, or if it's just, I don't know how the back card would get sun bleached. Okay. So we've got Unicomplex, Romulus. So 53, 52, 51, 50, 49, 48. And what I'm saying is the promo number. 46, 45, 44, 43, 42 to 41. So this is 53 to 41. I'd be interested to find out what the pack name would have been. I've kind of looked through the Star Trek CCG, they're the continuing committees kind of version of the collecting encyclopedia thing, and I have like it has I've seen all of these promo numbers, but I'm not sure, and where I think it says where they're available. But I'm not sure if I saw. I don't think it tells you how you could get them. Like if you bought them, I mean, obviously, like the Enterprise Collection, you bought the Enterprise Collection, which I think that's just a very well-known thing. But I don't know if I don't know, and everybody else, I just don't know 2E. So Enterprise Collection, it's expensive, so I kind of know about it. But some of these lesser known things, I don't know. Everybody else may just know about it, and I don't. But like these came in. They were loose, but there's 9 of each. So I don't know if the collector that I got these from, which, just a blank. I don't know if they just were like, I want 9 of each, and you bought them by the single. So I may have to try researching or talking to people to find that out, because I always love finding that stuff out. I never played. I take that back. So a buddy of mine played Star Trek CCG. I played Magic and Star Wars CCG, and my buddy played both of those games also. But I never actually collected Star Trek CCG as a kid. But I did play with him. But I mean, it was like, he would have to. We would sit down, and he would, teach me how to play, and then I'd play with his deck and stuff. But so I do still have a kind of a soft spot for the 1E cards, the way they look. But these aren't bad, but I do just really like the way the 1E cards look. But I never played enough to really fully understand the game. And especially I think when we played, when I played, it was fairly early on in the game. I think he had a Future Enterprise, and that was like his prized possession. But anyways, thanks for watching. I have mostly just had Star Wars videos, trying to branch out, get into more Star Trek videos. I enjoy all the cards, just all the cards. So I want to keep doing just videos in general. But I'm going to start getting into more Star Trek videos. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys.